What's wrong with you? Why can't you catch your breath?
I don't know, Dad.
Why your face looks too funny?
Bro, I think I got inflamed. I hope it didn't get worse than this.
Get away from me. Haven't you heard about personal space before? You are so annoying.
I am sorry, but I can't control my swelling.
In this case, me and you will die from suffocation.
Why are you bullying me? Didn't you see? I am swollen.
That's why I am here, idiot, to release your swelling. So be patient.
Doctor, what happened to my son?
Your son had a sinus infection, so I gently irritated the area to help release the pressure and reduce the swelling, allowing him to breathe more easily again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily medical funny videos.